Dear student, in previous lecture we were discussing about the reaction of metals with dilute acid. Clear? So, before proceeding further, once again I would like to tell you that it is important to memorize this reactivity series. This is reactivity series. As I have told earlier also, reactivity series is an arrangement of various metals in decreasing order of their reactivity. विभिन्न मेटल्स को उनकी रिएक्टिविटी के घटते क्रम में जो सजाया जाता है, दैट अरेंजमेंट, वो सजावट ही कहलाता है रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज. सो फ्रॉम द रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज एज वी आर सेइंग, potassium is at the top, means potassium is the most reactive metal, and then reactivity decreases as we move on to sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, tin, Sn, Pb lead, and then hydrogen. Below hydrogen there are copper, Hg, mercury, gold, Ag, silver, and gold. Those elements which are placed below the hydrogen in reactivity series are less reactive than hydrogen. इन सभी का रिएक्टिविटी, जो इन सभी एलिमेंट्स की रिएक्टिविटी हाइड्रोजन से कम है. Clear? And the other element, those which are placed above the hydrogen in reactivity series are more reactive than hydrogen. So when these elements which are above the hydrogen reacts with any acid, they displaces the hydrogen from the acid. हर एसिड में हाइड्रोजन होता है. HCl हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है, H2SO4 हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है, एसिटिक एसिड CH3COH हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है. तो ऑल एसिड कंटेनिंग हाइड्रोजन, ठीक है, when you react with these metal which are above the hydrogen in reactivity series, hydrogen atom present in acid will be displaced, removed in form of H2, hydrogen gas. Clear? In this sequence today we are going to discuss the reaction of dilute hydrochloric acid with zinc metal. How zinc metal react with dilute hydrochloric acid? See, Zn here HCl. We have discussed, we know that when metal react with hydrogen, metal react with acid, not hydrogen acid, it forms hydrogen gas. तो रिएक्शन कैसे कंप्लीट करेंगे? सबसे पहले देखिए, दिस हाइड्रोजन विल बी रिमूव्ड, एसिड का ये हाइड्रोजन निकल जाएगा इन फॉर्म ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस. हाइड्रोजन गैस की डाइएटोमिक H2 गैस, ये हो गया पहला प्रोडक्ट. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉल्ट. अब एसिड का बचा हुआ पार्ट क्या है? क्लोरीन. दैट विल रिएक्ट विद जिंक and chlorine will react to form salt. How can we write the formula? See, zinc is Zn, whose valency is 2. Valency you should remember, and chlorine valency is 1. So on crossover it will form zinc 1 and Cl2. 1 we don't write generally, so it will be ZnCl2. ZnCl2, zinc chloride. This is the salt. Clear? Now it's time to balance the reaction. See, this side how many chlorine atoms are there? 2. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 2. But in left hand side we have 1 chlorine and 1 hydrogen. Right hand product side में 2 हाइड्रोजन है, 2 क्लोरीन है. तो उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए put here 2. Now reaction is balanced. Clear? Now see, this reaction of zinc with chlorine is comparatively, this reaction is comparatively slow. Speed of the reaction is somewhat slow, comparatively slow, as zinc is less reactive. From the reactivity series, it is clear that zinc is less reactive than these elements, which we have already discussed. Clear? So less reactive than above discussed metal, because we have seen the reaction of potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum with the dilute hydrochloric acid. So in comparison to reaction of these elements with dilute HCl, reaction of zinc is quite slow due to its low reactivity. Next is reaction of iron. Now we are going to discuss reaction of iron metal Fe with dilute hydrochloric acid. See how iron reacts. See, reaction of Fe iron with dilute HCl. Iron is a metal when it will react with dilute hydrochloric acid. As we know, मेटल एसिड से हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव कर देता, निकाल देता, डिस्प्लेस कर देता है इन फॉर्म ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस विच इज H2। तो पहले आप हाइड्रोजन को निकाल दीजिए, ये हाइड्रोजन निकल जाएगा इन फॉर्म ऑफ कैसे H2 गैस। दिस इज H2, ये पहला प्रोडक्ट H2 गैस। क्लियर? नाउ इट्स टाइम टू राइट द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सॉल्ट विच वी विल फॉर्म। सी व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सॉल्ट? What is left now? Fe बचा हुआ है और क्या है क्लोरीन। This will react to form salt C Fe। Fe valency is 2, ferrous। When valency of Fe is 2, it is called ferrous, and Cl is 1. So on crossover, it will form Fe1. We generally don't write, so FeCl2. It will be salt will be formula of salt will be FeCl2. Clear? Now it's time to balance. How to balance this reaction? See, this side how many chlorine we are having? 2, hydrogen also 2, but this side only 1 chlorine and 1 hydrogen. So in order to balance the hydrogen and chlorine atom, put here 2. Now reaction is balanced. Clear? Now see, since again from this reactivity series we can see Fe is again less reactive than zinc। Fe जो है ये जिंक से भी कम रिएक्टिव, मीन्स ये रिएक्शन भी काफी स्लो होगा। क्लियर? सी सिंस Fe iron is less reactive than zinc, so it reacts slowly with dilute HCl to form iron 2 chloride. This is iron 2 chloride, iron 2 chloride, because valency of iron is 2 here, so it is iron 2 chloride, or sometimes it is also called ferrous chloride with the evolution of H2 gas। Clear? And during this reaction H2 gas will evolve. So please remember, whenever metals react with acid, it forms salt and hydrogen gas, because hydrogen atom present in the acid is displaced or removed by the metal in form of H2 gas, hydrogen gas, and that metal react with remaining part of the acid to form salt। Clear? Now what about these metals which are laying below, which are placed below the hydrogen in reactivity series? ये सारा मेटल कॉपर, मरकरी, सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड, all these metals are even less reactive than hydrogen, so these metals do not react with dilute acid। Please remember, see here one important note: copper Cu, silver Ag and gold Au, which are laying below the hydrogen in reactivity series। जो reactivity series में हाइड्रोजन के नीचे जिनको रखा गया है does not react with dilute HCl at all। So these were the reaction of metals with acid।